Well, this is a good reason why you do restoration, because you never know what's under the skin of these things. So this is my good left wing, or at least I hope it's good. And I'm starting to peel apart the skin out here at the wingtip, and I noticed out here on this little wingtip spar, there's a bulge right there. And then I go, what in the world is this thing? Well, somebody riveted a doubler on that. And their choice of rivet, pop rivets. So they pop riveted a doubler on here to fix this rear tip spar, which obviously this thing has had a ground loop or something at one point. Somebody fixed it, quote unquote, fixed it. Otherwise, this wing does look good from the outside, but just like this, you never know about the inside. I did strip down the right wing. I know this one's got wingtip damage. The wingtip itself is bent. You kind of see all those wrinkles. And you can see this rear spar, tip spar is broken too. But actually the rest of the wing looks pretty good. What is it, buddy?
I'm trying to figure out how this works.
Okay, hold on just a second.
Because it's broken.
But the rest of this wing looks pretty good, and there's some good salvageable parts off of it, so, you know, who knows? All right, buddy, back to you. Say see you, everybody.
See you, everybody.